Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to take a look at a project called Aesc Seeds, which is part of the broader Aesc ecosystem. This platform focuses on building a structured digital ecosystem around participation, contribution and long-term network development. A quick disclaimer before you check Aesc that this is for educational purposes only. I'm a financial advisor and always do not big research before thinking to invest in any project. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So this is the official website, and now let me explain you what is actually Aesc Seeds. So Aesc Seeds appears to be the entry layer into the Aesc ecosystem where users can participate early and interact with the platform's structure, which is a really interesting thing to know. So the idea behind Seeds is similar to early stage participation where users contribute to the network and in return receive a form of digital allocation tied to the ecosystem, which is a really interesting thing to know right now. So instead of being just a simple token or app, this platform is structured more like a growth-based ecosystem where activity and participation play a central role. So now let's connect wallet and let's see how this actually works. So right now in the top right corner we can connect the wallet by clicking right here. So you'll need to connect it with MetaMask. Right now I'm already connected because I clicked and I was connected early before this, so you'll automatically be logged in right now. So first thing that happens, you'll be able to see your account right here. You can copy your address and you can view yourself on Explorer, which is really interesting. Also you can disconnect if you want. So now let's copy our address and let's claim this first thing. So we have to claim one gas, or let's say claim gas. We have one Aec. So by clicking right here claim gas, we're going to the next section where you need to put your wallet address. Right now I'm going to put it, I copied before, and right now I'm just going to paste it right here and you can click request, but let me tell you that you can do it once in every 24 hours. So now let's request 1.0 Aec. So you can see it's successfully sent to the 1.0 Aec. You can see right here transaction. By clicking here we can check the transaction that happened. And now let's go back to the website. Now let's claim test USDT 2000. So by clicking right here claim this, we are going to the MetaMask, and now we can claim this also by clicking confirm right here, and you can see that this is happening right now. So we have some network fee, and just by confirming right here we can see the transaction has been made, and right now we have our USDT claim test. So now when you claim these two things, first two steps, you'll see right here cool down that is showing. Like I said, you can do this once in every 24 hours. Right now I'm not sure why for the first step it's not showing also the cooldown, but let me tell you that you will have cooldown for this also. Right now you can see some misunderstanding happened, but we are not able to claim gas again, so you can see something bugged. But we can see for the second test, claim test USDT, we can see the cooldown is here, and you'll also be able to see that on the left side when you do that. So if you want to max your seeds, you can bridge real USDT from BSC chain right here by clicking this green button right now. So right here you can see the cross-chain transfer can happen. By scrolling down you can see more about this bridge info right here, and also right now we can put amount that you want to transfer to the Aec Testnet. Right now for me it's going to be something like this. So you can see the amount I put is this, and now we can by scrolling down you can see switch to the BNB smart chain. Right now you can see it's happening, and the balance is 2.5 USDT. So you can see that this is happening with this. You can see this is approve USDT right now, and by clicking right here we are going to the MetaMask right now for the confirmation for the transaction. And right here you can see there is no network fee, and we can see the spending cap is this right here, and by confirming this we can see what is happening right now. So right now we can transfer like this right here, and again we are going back to the MetaMask right now, and also we need to confirm this right now, and we can see you send we can see how much you send, and also you can see that with who you interacted with, and you can see, like I said, there is no network fee. So right now for transaction request we need to confirm first. So you can see that the transfer initiated is successfully made. So you can see the note said the cross-chain transfer may take 1 to 5 minutes to complete, so we'll check that when from how many times or minutes is going to be completed. So now the top of the website we can see that we have claimed everything. We see the test USDT is 2000, we can see Aec is 1, and we can see how much USDT we have, which is 0.99. I have transaction 1.7 more after this, and we can see that everything is here right now. So another way to maximize your seeds is that you can watch out for the boost code that can get you 3x your seeds for the next 60 minutes. But please just guys remember that you only have maximum 10 transactions that will earn your seeds every day. So you can see that the limit for the day is 10, like I said, transactions. So if you want to choose this path, you gotta pay tune to the Telegram group chat that is showing codes, or let's giving the boost code twice a day from the UTC time zone 8 to the 12. So you can see that you can collect or you can apply right now for the boost code, and you need to stay updated on Telegram for the boost code. And now by scrolling down, we can see more about this daily task that you can do on the daily time, and you can see that what can you do. So first thing is task A is a logistic test transfer. So you can see cross address transfer EX or USDT detected automatically when you send the tokens between wallets on EAC testnet, which is daily limit 10 transactions. Also, you can see task B is the standard trade test USDT. So you can see that called the X402 settlement contract using test USDT. So you can see detected with trade settled even is emitted. We can see also daily limits for that is 10. So remember that everything you do is bring your daily limit lower by every transaction that you made. So if you do 1 on the A, you'll be able to do 9 on the task B, or let's say task C right now, which is the premium trade USDT. So you can see amount of seeds, and we can see the transfer real USDT via X402 settlement high rewards path is that task C. So we can see also the contract deployment, which is the 100 seeds. So you can see deploy contract on EAC using a hard hat or foundry. So you can see deployments are automatically detected via RPC, which is really good. And also right here you can see that the RPC link is right here, and also you can see the chain ID is right here, which is right now 71602. So you can see this is really simple to understand right now. So this is showing the test C that is so, which is the X402 settlement is live right now, which you can see that you can do it right now. And you can see, like I said, send a test USDT or USDT without holding EX. So you can see Relayer pay gas, you pay 0.01 testnet USDT per one transaction. So right here you can see that you can test USDT is giving you plus 100 points and USDT is giving you plus 500 points, but I'm going to explain you what is bringing you what amount of points from seed. And we can see right here you need to type the recipient address and the amount that you want to send him, and just you need to send it right here by clicking send via X402. So also right now by clicking down we can see more about this AI agent and automation. So you can see deploy AI agent. We can see it is connected and open flow AI agent to automate task execution within your daily quota. So that is meaning that your agent can copy you can copy agent code and he can help you to do tasks on daily basis, which is really interesting thing to know. Also you can see that agent fallback percentage preference. So you can see when only low volume transfers remain, what should the agent do? You can ask him right here first. You can type everything that, let's say, wait for the boost, and he'll wait for the boost, and then he will do what is his task to do. Right now by scrolling down we can see more about this growth and communication. So you can see for the referral links, which I'm going to explain later, not in this moment right now, and also for the community, so you can follow them on Twitter or let's say X, and also on Telegram you can follow them there also, because I recommend you to check their Telegram because you can stay updated with everything that's happening. And the really important thing that their boost code that is happening on Telegram, you won't stay updated with that because you're getting 3x for just applying the code, which is really good thing not to miss. And also there's a reward for the bug report. So you can see that you can have extra rewards from 100 to over 2000 in seeds points. So you need to make your severity level, you need to contract address is optional, and you need to describe what is the issue that happened. Also you need to enter your email address right here, and by clicking severity level you can choose what is the level of the bug. We can see low UI text issues, we can see medium interactions, and high is the core failure, which is again the best amount of rewards that you can get. Right now you can submit your bug report if it happened, and also you can upload a screenshot of the bug that happened. So now let me explain you what type of task is bringing you what amount of seeds points. So you can see a basic transfer is giving you 10 seeds. So you can see standard trade is giving you 100 seeds. Premium trade is giving you up to 500 seeds. Also deploy a contract that we saw before is giving you 1000 1000 seats, and the bug report can give you up to 2000 seats in reward, which is a really good thing to know. So now let me explain you more about this referral link. So first thing first, when you connect to your wallet, you get your unique referral link on your dashboard. So when you share it to your friend, you get 15% of everything that they made, which is really good, or let's say that they earned. So let me explain now how it works. So you have three main steps. First one is to copy your address right here. You can see your referral link right here, and you can copy it by clicking copy right now, and you can see this is copied. And the second one is you need to share it with your friend or anyone that you want to join through your link. Third step is really the easiest step. So when they sign up, you're getting your 15% of everything that they earn, and that is forever when they sign up, which is really good thing to know. And here's some examples of how referral earnings are working. So if they made one transaction or one transfer, they're earning 10 points, and you will get from that, like I said, 15%, which is 1.5. So if they made one standard trade, which is gaining them 100 points, you're getting 15 of them. So if they get let's say one contract deployment, they're getting 1000, and you're getting 150 from that. Also, this is just extra, it doesn't reduce your friends earnings at all, which is a really good thing to know. So there's just some extra rewards that you can have, and this is really good passive way to make something. And now points for the bug report. So you can see the minor, or let's say the smallest, the basic type is the low, which is the type of small display issues, is giving you from 100 to 300 seats. So you can see the medium interaction bug, or let's say button doesn't work or flow breaks halfway, is can get you from 500 to 1000 points. And you can see the high, or let's say the core failures like transaction lost, it can get you over 2000 in seats points from just rewards, from just reporting a bug, which is really good thing to know. And now let's transfer via Aesc 400 to Gaslit. So you can see the test USDT is plus 100 points. Right now I'm going to place the recipient address right here, and the amount I'm going to send is 1000. So by clicking send via this, right now we're going straight to the MetaMask, and right now we just need to go on the button to see everything signature request right now is happened, and we need to confirm this action right now. So in a few seconds we need to confirm one more thing right now, that is about fees and some things like that. And by clicking right here, you can see that the transaction is made. We can see right now, and you can see amount of USDT that we have is 199.99. So you can see that we send really low. You can see the quote that we made is 2 from 30. Right now let's send from the let's say USDT. Also I'm going to place the recipient address right now, and the amount I'm going to place is 0.3, let's say like that. So just to show you right now. And again, we're going to the MetaMask. We need to confirm everything that happened to the MetaMask for the transaction to happen. And right now we need to confirm this also, and we can see that this happened right now. Also you can see success plus 500 seats points have been made. You can see the USDT we have is 0.6, and so quota will jump up to 4 from 30. Now you can see that more about the copy AI agents right now. So I need to copy AI agent mode, and you can see the agent skill is copied right now, which is a really good thing to know. And right here you can see the seed balance went for 620, which is the total transactions that we made. And you can see that USDT is from 1 from 10, B is the 1 from 10. Also you can see the transfer from Ace to 2 from 10. Now let me show you something more. And now we're going to send also right here from the MetaMask to the address right here. So I'm going to change to USD, and I'm going to place the address right here. You can see that is confirmed, and right now I'm going to place, let's say, $2 right now, or you can see how much of the BNB is going to be. So by clicking continue right now, you can see the transactions is made. You can see the net fee right here that is happening, and also you can change that the fee, how much, where it's going to take you down. And right now by clicking confirm right here, we can see the transaction was submitted, and we can see your activity right now by clicking right here, and you can see that the transaction has been made right now. You can see it's confirmed, and you can see everything is good right now. And now we're on the Twitter profile, and you can see they have over 1000 followers, which is really good because they just joined on July of 2025. So that is meaning they're not here for the full 1 year. You can see for that period they made over 100 posts, which is actually really amazing, because that is meaning they're really active on social media, which is really important stuff to do right now. So because of that, we're going to drop a follow right now, and by scrolling down we can see what are they posting. So their first post is pinned on the March of 26th. You can see the great seeding is live. So you can see the first settlement chain for RVA plus machine economy is now open for testing. So you can see that what's at stake for you and how much it costs you, which is 0, and you can see the time per day is 5 minutes. So you can see that post made a lot of impressions. You can see almost 2,000 impressions, which is really amazing because they're not so big account on Twitter right now. You can see that people are really interested to see what they have to offer right now. So I highly recommend you to check their Twitter profile and Telegram, because you can stay updated as everything is happening, and also, like I said, you can stay updated that when the boost code is happening. So that wraps up our review of Aesc seeds. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. Stay informed, stay curious, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.